minute it got dark anyway. Oh, look at this. This is going to be an award-winning photograph. I'm so glad. Well,
yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, so do you want me to take the starter from you, put it there, and then pull the cart away?
if you're okay with that, sure.
Yeah. Just hand me the bottle when it's running. I'll put it there. You pull the starter, hand it to me. I'll put it over here.
Yeah.
And then I'll just move the cart over there.
I can put the starter here. You just pull the cart.
Yep.
You set, Vern?
Fuel's off. You want to just start it? We're going to have oil pressure on. Okay, we're not going to spin it for oil pressure. We're going to start it.
And just for photograph's sake, put your goggles down, okay? You don't know, you don't have to see nothing anyway. They're fogged up. They say, look at that guy. He's driving that son of a bitch. Okay, walk the throttle once or twice. You walk the throttle once or twice after you just got a little heat in it.
Yeah.
To make sure we're going to get some sensitivity in the pipes here. Let Hodges work the throttle because we're not having very good luck on the foot feed, okay? We'll probably wing it a couple of times just to get the sensitivity in the pipes, make sure she's doing what she's doing. Okay, just give me an opening here if you don't mind. Okay. Are you set? Good.
We weren't getting really elevated header temperatures. I never saw anything over 450.
This one.
Well, a little bit. This side here, we can. Well, 5 and 7 are always the worst. What?
It's really red all the way down to here.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Ah. Well, that's a good time to shut it off.
Well, that's why I wanted to get it back on Richmond to put it down low.
And did it?
Oh yeah, it went out.
Okay, good. Right? Well, I mean, when we put it back to full fuel, it kept up with header plan. Yeah, well, good.
Let me see your vein.
Good deal. Out of all 4 east side. But when I leaned it,
See what it
it
gets
started
on
to
this
get
side
different.
without.
Okay.
That's when the header plan really came.
Kind of curious.
The 12 motor change.
Yeah. Still.